Hello everyone, it's another episode of Tea Menu. In this breakfast series, I'm sharing different yummy breakfast options. So endeavor to subscribe and click the bell-like option to get notification whenever delicacies like this land. Yes, the ingredients are all in the description box. So, but in case you have any question or you got contribution, fine, leave them on the comments and I'll definitely reply. Just follow through, stay tuned to this so that you can see how the magic was done. It's so simple. It's a very simple recipe. You may have come across it, you may have known it, but just chill and enjoy. The two secret ingredients are basil leaf and whole oregano, not so common in this part of the world, but very beneficial for your health. You can read up on them and it's so amazing. Apart from that, it brings out a whole lot of taste in this sumptuous sauce and a bit of curry too. Everything mixed and it is a perfect meal indeed.